Part 2. Okay, so I just replaced this capacitor with a smaller one, and this one will generate bigger frequency. I made a quick change. I come out of the potentiometer, and I'm coming out of the 555, and I'm going to the bottom of this coil, and then I'm running the plus, well, to the top of this coil, and I'm running the plus into the bottom of the coil to the plus of the circuit. And then on this coil, I have the oscilloscope hooked up. So let's go ahead and turn it up a little bit. See if we see any difference. Nothing in the oscilloscope. I'll slow it down a little bit. Now let's go ahead and start sliding my coil out. Sliding it out slowly. And let's see if anything appears. There it is. So I had to push it in more. And now we're getting some crest. Now let's turn it up in frequency. And one thing about those crests, the wavelength that we're looking at is the distance between the crest peak and the next one. So that's the wavelength. And our frequency we're looking at is the number of waves that arrive for each second. And then if you want to talk about speed, speed is how fast the wave travels between two distances, from one place to another. So it's important stuff to know about building a Tesla coil. And let's go up in a little bit more. Let's get this up to about 1,000,000 hertz. Here you go, right there. There's your hertz. 2,000,000 kilohertz. It's one of my fast. It's crazy. $3,000,000 kilohertz. 42 million. 46. 56, 65 million, 57 million. Turn it down. Now let's go ahead and pull this out. Let's change that wave a little bit. So as I move it, you can see the wave distort. So right there, right there is the frequency. Looking for the crest between two waves, right there. See how balanced out that is? 163,000 hertz. Let's move this coil around. Now you can see how far out I am with it. Let's get a wave to balance out. Definitely down low now. The waves. Right there. I have to say that's in the window. See the crest? That one's a little higher. Let's see if we can get it just a little, switch it just a little bit. Go the other way. Here we go. So we are at 225,000 hertz. There's a difference in the top of those waves. Alright guys, hopefully you like my experiments. 555 running strong. What happens now? I guess I tuned it. Look at I tuned it down. And it's pretty cool, huh? It's my tuner. Old radio style, Edley Scallon style. Bam. My roly-poly's in the house. Alright guys, have a good day.